Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Freelancer.com account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Freelancer.com account, start by navigating to the Freelancer website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and set a password. Make sure to create a strong password for added security. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Get Started button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Freelancer. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will verify your email address. After verification, return to the Freelancer website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Now, complete your profile by adding essential information. Include details like your skills, experience, and a profile picture. This will help you stand out to potential clients. Once your profile is complete, save your changes. Freelancer may ask you to verify your identity. Follow the necessary steps for identity verification if prompted. This might include uploading identification documents. After verification, your account will be fully activated. You are now ready to start bidding on projects and connecting with clients. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Congratulations, your Freelancer.com account is now active and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.